Hello friends, welcome to Minahil English Stories. Let's start today's story. Wow, look at these beautiful places. Everyone's life looks so exciting. They have big houses and pretty things. My room is so small. I wish I had a life like theirs. Everyone seems happier than me. Why is my life so ordinary? Grandmother says to AYESHA, "My dear, why do you look so sad today?" AYESHA says, "Nothing, Grandma. I'm just thinking." Grandmother says to AYESHA, "You can tell me anything. What is bothering you?" AYESHA says, "I think everyone else has a better life than me. Look at these people, Grandma. They have beautiful clothes, big houses, and amazing trips. I wish I had their life." Grandmother says to AYESHA, "My dear, social media shows highlights, not reality." AYESHA says, "Really? Then why does everything look perfect?" Grandmother says, "The smiling traveler may be lonely, the rich man may have many worries. We never see the whole story." Grandmother says to AYESHA, "Come with me, I want to show you something." Grandmother says, "Look at these flowers. They are all different, yet they are all beautiful." AYESHA says, "They really are beautiful." Grandmother says, "The rose does not want to be a sunflower. And the sunflower does not want to be a rose." AYESHA says, "So, I don't need to be like anyone else?" Grandmother says, "Exactly, my dear. Allah made you special." AYESHA says, "I have a loving family. I have a warm home. I have so many blessings, I forgot to appreciate them." AYESHA looks at the sky and says, "Thank you, Allah, for all the beautiful things in my life. I can enjoy social media without comparing myself to others." Social media is not always reality. Never feel less because of what you see online. Be grateful for your blessings, and be the person Allah created you to be.